Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,900, powered by a dependable 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This truck features a robust four-wheel drive system that delivers outstanding capability in all weather conditions and off-road environments. The exterior presents an extremely clean finish in bold red, which beautifully complements the tidy tan interior. It boasts a practical 8-foot-long bed fitted with a durable bed liner, alongside an 8-foot Western plow and a dedicated brake controller that make winter snow clearing and heavy towing effortless. With 140,000 miles logged on the odometer, the vehicle rides on a set of good tires that offer excellent traction and reliability. The cabin offers modern driving convenience with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, while a clean Carfax report provides ultimate peace of mind for its prospective owner.
Number 2.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,950. The truck is a highly reliable daily driver that runs and drives excellently, coming fully serviced with all new fluids and filters so it needs absolutely nothing. Powered by a strong Vortec 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, this truck features a clean white exterior, a gray interior, and driven 291,000 miles. Backed by a clean Arizona title held directly in the owner's name, the vehicle has received extensive upgrades and maintenance to ensure top performance and comfort. Mechanical enhancements include brand new fuel injectors, plug wires, a fresh battery, brand new brakes at all four corners, and new tires including the spare. The front suspension and steering systems have been completely overhauled with new ball joints, bushings, hubs, bearings, and a steering box, allowing it to drive like new. Inside the cabin, passengers can enjoy ice-cold air conditioning, fresh front seat upholstery, new carpet, replacement door pins, window tint, and an upgraded Bluetooth stereo. The exterior boasts new headlights equipped with LED bulbs, new tail lights, and a custom exhaust upgrade featuring a Flowmaster muffler with new tailpipes and tips.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has driven 375,000 miles. The vehicle is powered by a 4.3-liter Vortec V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and features a traditional floor shifter to engage the four-wheel drive system. The exterior is finished in a bold red, complemented by a clean gray interior, mechanically refreshed. The truck boasts a brand new, recently rebuilt transmission alongside brand new street performance OEM Beltec shocks that ensure a smooth and controlled ride. The exterior aesthetics and visibility are enhanced with brand new headlights and taillights. Inside the cabin, the truck keeps things simple and low maintenance with classic manual windows and manual seats.
Number 4.
2002 Ford F250, price $9,950, powered by a legendary and dependable 7.3-liter Power-stroke diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This two-wheel drive heavy-duty truck has logged just 180,000 original miles. The exterior is finished in a clean white paint, which contrasts nicely with the functional tan interior. Built specifically for capability, practicality, and long-haul towing, the vehicle features an extended fuel tank that significantly improves driving range between fill-ups. It also comes equipped with a pre-installed fifth-wheel hitch setup, making it ideal for hauling heavy trailers, camper units, or equipment right away without requiring additional preparation. Inside the cabin, the extended cab layout provides ample room for passengers and gear, along with essential comfort features including power windows, power door locks, and a rear sliding window that adds extra convenience and ventilation.
Number 5.
1997 Ford F250, price $8,500, powered by a legendary 7.3-liter Power-stroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a two-wheel drive configuration. This vehicle has logged 260,000 miles. It presents a bold red exterior paired with a comfortable gray interior, along with the major benefit of being completely smog-exempt so it never needs to undergo smog testing. The truck has received extensive mechanical updates and recent maintenance to ensure long-term reliability on the road. Notable replacements include a new turbocharger, a new AC compressor, a new alternator, and a new radiator, as well as recently replaced shift solenoids in the transmission. Riding on newer tires with good brakes and carrying valid tags through June, this dependable diesel pickup is fully prepared for immediate work or daily driving.
Number 6.
1997 Ford F250, price $9,999. The truck is an exceptionally well-kept, low-mileage pickup truck that runs and drives great with no leaks and no mechanical problems whatsoever. Driven just 64,000 miles, this three-door vehicle is powered by a reliable 5.4-liter gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior presents a handsome blue finish, which complements a very nice, clean gray interior, offering complete peace of mind. The truck comes with a clean title and has already passed smog inspection, making it completely ready for its next owner. Prospective buyers should note that all sales are subject to applicable taxes and standard fees.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It has been garage kept and meticulously serviced every 3,000 miles since new. Driven 215,000 miles, this pickup is powered by a dependable 5.0-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The vehicle features a matching color scheme with a blue exterior and a blue interior. The truck runs and drives great with no mechanical problems or fluid leaks, and it blows cold air inside the super nice, well-preserved cabin. Having never been involved in an accident, it still wears its original paint with no sun fading whatsoever, and the rubber weather stripping around all windows looks brand new and the engine compartment remains remarkably clean.
Number 8.
1998 GMC 1500, price $4,900. The truck is a reliable, highly functional four-wheel drive, while not cosmetically pristine on the outside, is mechanically sound with a fully operational dashboard featuring no warning lights and everything working exactly as it should. Driven 292,000 miles, this vehicle is powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck showcases a matching brown exterior and brown interior, offering a cabin where the air conditioning blows cold and the four-wheel drive system operates seamlessly. The truck has recently undergone extensive mechanical servicing completed by Boonville Auto Repair, incorporating a substantial list of brand new components. Updates include new fuel injectors with a seal kit, a new starter, a new radiator, a new thermostat housing gasket, a new engine cooler line, a new blower motor, and a fresh oil change. The braking and suspension systems have also been overhauled with a new ABS wheel sensor, new brake pads, rotors, calipers, hydraulic brake hoses, and a suspension stabilizer bar link kit, with all new parts backed by a 36-month or 36,000-mile nationwide warranty through any Napa Auto Care Center.
Number 9.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000, driven 180,000 miles. This four-wheel drive pickup is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and comes with current registration tags valid through 2027. The exterior is finished in red and shows typical work truck character with various body dents, while the cabin features a gray interior and a fully functional four-wheel drive system ready for tough terrain or winter driving. Under the hood, the engine benefits from several recent mechanical upgrades, including brand new spider fuel injectors, new spark plugs, new ignition wires, and a new alternator. While the vehicle runs and drives, it does require some attention to its driving dynamics, as the transmission takes a moment to shift out of neutral, and the brakes need service. Additionally, the truck requires front-end suspension work, likely including ball joints and control arm bushings, to eliminate squeaks and restore a smooth ride.
Number 10.
1991 Ford F250, price $4,795. The truck is an exceptionally well-kept, single-owner heavy-duty with a documented 76,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a dependable 7.3-liter diesel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a two-wheel drive drivetrain, this pickup runs and drives great. The vehicle presents a matching color scheme with a blue exterior and a blue interior. As a loaded XLT Lariat model, the truck comes equipped with comfortable options, including fully functional air conditioning that blows cold. Combining low original mileage, verified single-owner history, and robust diesel performance, this classic Ford F-250 offers outstanding reliability and timeless style.